welcome back to my channel. In case of seeing my first time, my name is Shana and I make videos about lifestyle, hair and beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to show you flawless and long-lasting party makeup step by step. So in the step 1, I'm going to use primer. For the flawless base makeup, always use primer, and today I'm going to use this Too Faced Hangover primer. I just take a little bit primer on my fingers and apply it on my cheeks, forehead and nose. And in the step 2, I'm going to use foundation and I'm going to mix this to foundations, MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation and Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. And with this foundations, I'm also going to mix this NY Bae Strobe Cream. First, I'm applying this foundation all over my face with the brush like this. And for the flawless finish, I'm blending it out with the sponge. In the step 3, I'm going to use concealer, and for that I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown Skin Full Cover Concealer. And I just like to do 3 lines like this. And then I'm blending it out with the sponge. And in the step 4, I'm going to use loose powder. Firstly, I'm going to set my concealer and then I'm going to apply a little bit around my mouth. And to set my concealer, I'm using a small brush. And for the face, I'm using a big fluffy brush. Now in the step 5, I'm using a brow pencil. Firstly, I'm using a spoolie and brushing out my brows. And after that, I'm just filling my brows and then I'm using a concealer to shape my brows. Now in the step 6, I'm going to use eyeshadow palette and I'm using this NY Bae I Love eyeshadow palette, and firstly I'm going to use this peach shade. And I'm applying the peach shade all over my eyelids and also a little bit under my lower lash lines. Now I'm going to use this shade from the Huda beauty palettes. Firstly, I applied on the crease like this and a little bit under my lower lash lines. After that, I mixed this to glitter shade and applied on the lids like this. And after that, I curled my lashes. Now in the step 7, I'm using a mascara. Firstly, I'm using a Too Faced Damn Girl mascara and applying on my upper lashes. And then I'm applying Bobbi Brown Smokey eye mascara on my lower lashes. In the step 8, I'm using a bronzer. I'm just taking a little bit on my brush and just applying under my cheekbones. And in the step 9, I'm going to use blush. I'm just taking a little bit blush on my brush and just applying all over my cheeks like this. Now in the step 10, I'm going to use highlighter, and for that I'm going to use this NY Bae 3-in-1 face palette. And I'm applying this highlighter on my cheekbones, brow bones and chin. Now in the step 11, I'm going to use a lipstick, and firstly I'm using a matte lipstick. And I use the pink nude shade. And after the lipstick, I'm applying NY Bae Glow Scatter Lip Gloss. In the step 12, I'm going to use a setting spray. And to set my makeup, I'm going to use this NY Bae Matte Finish Setting Spray. It's very long lasting and gives smooth matte finish. And it contains green tea extracts. It sets your makeup really well. And it also gives all day hydration. And it's very easy to use. You just have to spray it from the distance like this. You can also use this setting spray as a primer. So you can see it sets my makeup really well and my makeup looks more smooth and more flawless. It gives smooth matte finish, which I really like about the setting spray. It sets heavy makeup really well and it also contains green tea extracts. Setting spray gives any makeup a perfect finish, and if you want your makeup to last longer without melting, then you can use this NY Bae Matte Finish Setting Spray. It gives smooth matte finish and gives all day hydration. And it will prevent your makeup from melting and locks your look in place all day long. And you can use this setting spray in so many different ways to create a killer base makeup. You can use this setting spray as a primer. And to get creaseless eye makeup, you can spray it on your eyeshadow brush like this. And for dewy makeup look, you can mix the setting spray with your highlighter. You can use the setting spray in many different ways and it's only at $1.99. And for you guys, I will leave links in the description box below, so check out there. So yeah, this is the final look. You can see makeup looks very flawless and beautiful. You can create this look very easily and wear it with any kind of outfits. You can try out this look on parties, weddings or whenever you like. So I hope this video will help you and hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.